PGM Reball are the UK's leading technical specialists in ball screws and actuation systems. We manufacture, sell and repair a wide range of ball screws and actuators from our facility in Hinckley, Leicestershire. Our workshop holds the quality standard AS9100 and we work with the world's leading aerospace companies.
We've been repairing ball screws for over 30 years, and because we carry a large stock of ball bearings and spare parts, backed up by technical know-how, we can repair any make of ball screws within 48 hours.
Our ball bearing sizes start as small as 0.9mm and our workshop can manage lengths of up to 12 metres. Our stocks cover imperial and metric ball screws, and for more complex repairs, our machining facility is fully equipped to remanufacture any obsolete or damaged parts. Our ball bearing stock is certified and fully traceable and includes chrome steel, stainless steel and ceramic materials for more critical applications. A full technical analysis is completed using digital image recordings, endoscope technology, optical projection facilities and a vertical high-speed test rig.
When I started the business, I wanted to make sure our pricing was open and transparent. All our repairs are backed up by a 3 months warranty with full production traceability. The advice we give is independent and unbiased, and our in-house design service gives a great technical solutions. If your ball screws cannot be repaired, we can source replacements from major manufacturers as well as niche players. In terms of miniature ball screws, in some cases we can even manufacture it ourselves in-house.
PGM Reball also repairs actuators and linear guides and can arrange the repair of spindles and motors through associated companies. Our ability to provide a fast turnaround within 24 to 48 hours for standard ball screw repairs means that a repair can often be the best solution where speed is of the essence.